What is lemon water? Lemons and other citrus fruits are renowned for their brightly colored, pitted peels and acidic, reviving flavors. Lemon water is made from the juice of the lemon fruit mixed with water. It can be served hot or cold and can include extras like lemon zest, honey, mint, or spices like turmeric or cayenne pepper. Top 5 health benefits of lemon water. 1. A source of water. We can only exist for a few days without water, which is a vital nutrient. In actuality, it accounts for 55% of an adult's weight and 75% of an infant's. Lemon can be added to hot or cold water to make it more appealing if you have trouble drinking water. It's crucial to make sure you drink enough fluids while exercising or in hot weather, since dehydration is prevalent and can cause headaches, dizziness, and fatigue. The NHS recommends consuming 6 to 8 glasses of liquid each day, preferably water. 2. Source of vitamin C. Lemons have a long history of being used to treat scurvy, an illness that can arise from a deficiency in vitamin C, ascorbic acid. The immune system is frequently said to be supported by vitamin C, however, studies are still ambiguous in this regard. According to one study, vitamin C may reduce the length of symptoms and may even halve the incidence of the common cold in persons who experience brief bouts of intense physical stress, even if it does not prevent the common cold in otherwise healthy individuals, e.g. marathon runners. 3. May support skin health. There is some proof that citrus fruits' defensive flavonoids and vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, can help your skin look better. Collagen contributes to the tensile strength of the skin, and vitamin C is believed to aid in its production. It's interesting to note that a 2016 study found that a citrus-based juice drink may help stop the negative impacts that cause mice's skin to age prematurely. 4. May aid digestion. Some people discover that consuming a glass of lemon water, especially in the morning, helps maintain regularity in their digestive system. Studies on mice do offer some promise, despite the fact that they are mostly subjective and based on anecdotal evidence. A 2019 study found that consuming a beverage high in lemon polyphenols throughout one's life seems to slow the aging process in the gut, including changes to the balance of good bacteria. 5. May help prevent kidney stones. Lemon juice's citric acid may help avoid kidney stones brought on by a buildup of calcium oxalate, and the additional fluid from the water may help keep you hydrated and wash out any possible stones. 6. Helps you lose weight. Lemons contain pectin fiber, which assists in fighting hunger cravings. 7. Reduces inflammation. Regularly consuming lemon water will lessen your body's acidity, which is where illnesses develop. It eliminates uric acid, one of the key contributors to inflammation, from your joints. 8. Excellent source of potassium. Lemons contain a lot of potassium, which benefits nerve and brain function as well as heart health. 9. It freshens your breath. Additionally, it relieves gingivitis and toothaches. Avoid cleaning your teeth just after drinking lemon water, since the citric acid might damage tooth enamel, or brush your teeth first. 10. Gives you an energy boost. When lemon juice reaches your digestive system, it gives your body energy and also works to lessen anxiety and despair. Your nervous system is calmed by the smell of lemons, too. Is lemon water safe for everyone? There are a few things to think about if you decide to drink lemon water, which is generally harmless for most individuals. This may involve tooth enamel erosion, and people who have heartburn may find that drinking lemon water makes their symptoms worse. This has a mixed impact, though, since some people who have heartburn find relief after drinking lemon water. How do you make lemon water? Lemon water is exactly what it sounds like: water mixed with lemon juice or lemon slices and/or peel. Water may be either warm or cold. If desired, you can also use other components and flavors, including orange or mint. The lemons can be juiced, if convenient, beforehand, and even frozen in ice cube trays. Before juicing, rolling a lemon between your hands or on a surface is supposed to produce more juice. If you want to add lemon slices to water or use the lemon zest, unwaxed lemons are the best option. If you can only get waxed lemons, lightly clean the peel before using. That's it for this video. Please share, like, and hit that bell for more content. And don't forget to subscribe.